Katha by Tanya. Today I will show you some exclusive hand stitch embroidery Katha stitch sarees. The first saree, see the combination. It's a pretty combination of Rani and peach. The highlighting of the thread is a Rani color and the filling color is a peach color. Very nice color combination. The material is pure Bangalore silk. See, the material is pure Bangalore silk and the price is 7500. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. So 2.5 meter of your sari you will get this all over design, and in your pleats you will get this skirt border. Let me show you in a drape pattern. See the all over look. Wow, very nice color combination, very eye soothing color and very uncommon. The material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7500, and all silk sarees or tassar sarees, all sarees you will get silk mark authentication. See the all over look. Wow, very nice color combination. Close up. You have to see the stitching quality. The Katha is very much associated with the stitching quality because all are handcrafted, and the कारीगर जो मतलब जितना एक्सपर्ट होता है उसका स्टिचिंग क्वालिटी उतना अच्छा होता है. It's a very nice. See the cover up. It's a full coverage saree. The price is 7500. This is the blouse. Okay, this is the blouse. Now another exclusive design. These all are masterpieces. Very rarely you will find because we don't make so much repetition of this design. See the color. This is the jamun color, very dark jamun color. This is the pallu design. Let me show you the achol design first. See, the material is pure gachi tassar. We have dyed very nicely because these color shades are very uncommon. And all over you will get this mirror frame, like I have made this design I own. See the Radha Krishna face in all over your sari, and this is the pallu design. Wow, and see the softness of the tassar. This is a pure premium quality gachi tassar. Premium quality gachi tassar. Wow, very nice color, very nice color. You can wear it in any solid color also, but I prefer the running blouse because these sarees are so elegant. You need not to disturb with anything else. See the stitching quality, very nice, very fine. And I will show you the blouse. This is the blouse. Again I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold. This is the second fold. Wow. And all over your sari you will get this design, and this is the third fold and fourth. And the price is 9000. And see this design. Wow, the combination. It's a Vishnupuri, pure Vishnupuri 3D 3-ply Katan silk. One must have this combination in her wardrobe because these are unique, very unique in color sets. Wow, very nice. I prefer you should wear it with any contrast blouse like me. You can wear it in royal blue blouse, or you can wear it in any blue shades from these sarees, not with the running one. See the sari. Wow. Very, very uncommon color combination. Wow. See the color combination of the thread. We have used 3 colors of same blue shades. All are deeper than the other. Very nice color combination. And the price is 8,000. It's a 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk, and this is the blouse. The color of the material is a lighter grey. It's a metallic color. It's a metallic grey. Very uncommon combination. Now another Vishnupuri Katan silk. This saree we have used 3 techniques. I will explain how it became 3 techniques. First we have used the applique. We have done in the other fabric. We have do the applique one. Then we have done the applique with the patch fabric. Then the dye and then the katha. And the most exciting of this saree is the blouse piece. I will show you later. The material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's a very heavy range, premium quality. See the pallu design. Very smart and very unique thought. All over is a katha. The border is a applique one with the raw silk. These are done by applique. This is also. And this part we have done Shujni Katha or Nokshi Katha with the chiffon thread, and all over Katha. See the look. Material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. These are dyed. This black has been dyed on off-white color Vishnupuri Katan silk. And now check the blouse. It has a all over. Wow. This is the blouse. All over blouse. Okay, the price is 8,000. See. Sorry. Okay, the price is 8,000. Very nice drape of the fall of the fabric is very nice. See this design. The material is pure Bangalore silk. The price is 8,000. I will show you why. You have to come closer to check the intricacy of the work. It's a very intricate work and a smart piece. All over we have done this kind of stitching. I have already opened all the saree because of it's excitement. It has nicely done intricate work. See, the material is pure Bangalore silk, and we have done a very unique stitching style in Kantha stitch. Very unique stitching style. See, wow. And the blouse I will show you later. Very smart piece, black and white. And I am showing you the blouse. It has a very intricate stitching blouse. See, this is the blouse. This will come in the back, and these 2 portions will come in the sleeve. So half of your saree will get this design, 2.5 meter. The price is 8,000. Now I will show you another batik sarees. There has been lot of request for batik sarees. And check the color. Wow. Very nice and very uncommon color. It's a pretty closer tone of Firoza, but not Firoza. It's a closer tone of Firoza. Very nice color. In the pleats portion, you will get this temple design. Material is pure Bangalore silk. The color of the blouse is black. I will show you later. Yes, see the color combination. Very nice color. It's a light sky blue thread we have used to decorate this saree. See, this is the pallu design and this is the aanchal design. Sorry, blouse design. I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold. In the lower pleats, you will get this temple design all over your saree. So all over the saree, you will get this design. The price is 7500. Now see this saree. It's very unique, very unique, very unique. You can't miss this saree. This is the aanchal design. All over multicolor contrast stitch has been done. Yes, this is the aanchal design, same as the blouse. This is the border of the saree and check the all over design. Wow, isn't it pretty? All over the saree, this stripes has gone. In the border of your saree, we have done kantha also in a stripe design. Wow, very smart saree. The price is 7500. It's a Vishnupuri Katan silk 3-ply. This is the blouse. This portion is a ghicha and this portion is Vishnupuri Katan silk. We weaved this fabric, not dyed, not painted. Very smart one. Now those who request ask for Meenakari Katha, this is for them. Wow, see this saree. It's a Meenakari Katha. The color combination is very nice. It's a multi-color combination. This Meenakari Katha is very unique nowadays because all the karigar has gone, like they have started doing something else. These are very uncommon or very hardly found in the karigar because these are the masterpieces in Katha. The pattern is a partly pallu. Let me show you the pleats portion. Is a temple. It has a temple pleats. It has a temple pleats. Let me open the full saree, otherwise I can't drape it properly. Wow. Very intricate stitching. The Meenakari Katha. See, this is the pleats of the saree. It has a temple pleats, 2 meter. Once you get the saree na, you will get to know why it is intricate. See. Wow. You can wear it in any red or maroon blouse. Okay. And the price I haven't mentioned yet. The price is 7800. Okay. The price is 7800. The material is pure Vishnupuri, pure Bangalore silk. The material is pure Bangalore silk. Now I will explain my saree. I am standing up. See, this is a partly pallu design. All over the pleats we have done this intricate heavy katha, and this is the aanchal design. The material is pure Bangalore silk also a Meenakari Katha. The material is pure Bangalore silk. The price is 7800. See, very smart looking sari. Not very common in pattern because it has a all over pleats. See the pleats design. Very nice pleats design. Material is pure Bangalore silk and the price is 7800. Now another pure Gachi Tasar village art. See the combination. Very nice orange and the Rani combination. It's a village art. Price is 8000. Material is premium quality pure Gachi Tasar. Okay, all over the sari you will get these motifs all over your sari. Wow. See the motifs minutely. We have used elephant, we have used all our folk village motifs. Fish, we have used pakha, I mean hand. Ki bolbo pakha ke? All our village motifs. Okay. See, this is the first fold. This is the second fold. And all over your sari, this is the second, third and fourth fold. And this is the blouse. Okay, the price is 8000. Now another exclusive one. This is also a pure Gachi Tasar. Wow, see the combination. Wow. Orange and a yellow. What a combination. And this is the blouse. I will show you later. This is a coconut tree motif. Okay, the material is pure Gachi Tasar. Then we have done dye. See, and the thread color is a navy blue and a dark purple. Navy blue and a dark purple thread color. Design is a coconut leaf design. Pure Gachi Tasar. This is a natural color of the Tasar. Only this body portion we have done and in the selvage one. Let me drape. It's a light orange and a yellow combination. It's a light yellow and a orange combination. See, this is the full look and this will come in the blouse. This is the blouse color. Golden yellow. The price is 8000. Wow. Don't miss this one. This is a very unique sari. It's a Madhubani art on Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan silk. Wow. First you have to see the Aanchol design. This is the Aanchol design. It's a Madhubani design on Vishnupuri 3-ply Katan silk. Fully hand katha stitch. Wow. Isn't it very elegant, very elegant. The color combination, the design, very nice color combination. And all over the sari you will get design, all over folk katha. This design is very much famous for its pallu design. The most exciting design is the pallu design. See. Okay. And this is the blouse. This is the blouse. So let me show you in folds. This is the first fold. This is the second fold. Third, all over the sari, it's a folk motif. The price is 8000 Vishnupuri Katan silk. Wow. is a midnight blue. See the design. It's a very intricate design. Very elegant, very elegant. It's a perfect for any party. The color is a midnight blue color. I'm showing you the blouse. Check the blouse. Wow. It is an all over blouse design. All over, fully hand katha stitch. It's a partly pallu design. Yes, it's an intricate design. One saree took at least 9 months for this design and 1.2 year maximum time. See, isn't it pretty? Please feedback us. It will help us to grow. Your feedback is very much important for us. Wow. See the color combination also. It is a partly pallu design. 2 meter partly or 2 meter pleats, you will get this all over design, and in the aanchal you will get this all over design. In the yoke portion will come like this. Okay. The price is 8800. What was the price? 8800. 8800 is the price. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Now last for today's video, but it is a masterpiece. Very nice one. Wow. You have to come closer to check this design. The price is 8,000. Please check the body. All over your body is like this in the 5.5 meter fabric or 5.5 meter saree, except the blouse will go like this. Blouse has a different design. See, and this is the aanchal design. The aanchal will go in stripe, and very exclusive one, very exclusive and very elegant, very smart. This portion has been done katha, even this portion, and in the aanchal portion in the blouse also. This is the same. Blouse and aanchal is same, and all over your saree will go like this. I will show you in folds. This is the first fold, second fold, third fold and fourth fold. So you will get to know that all over your saree will all over we have done katha. The price is 8800. So divas, please do subscribe our channel and don't forget to get us feedback. And if you want to book any sarees from today's video, please do WhatsApp in the number given below in the screen. Thank you.